Good morning, guys. It's what's up, you guys? It's Kodak's phone. What you gonna be up to? So this morning we are gonna make some omelets. So I'm gonna probably do something really cool, really awesome. Let me get rid of this. I'm gonna have another omelet, and then we're gonna have some pumpernickel this morning too. Pumpernickel, oh jeez, pumpernickel bread. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. So I'll talk to you guys when I am cooking quiche on Tuesday. So I'll talk to you guys then.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do. It's Go Dogs for One.
This project is cleaning up this closet, so that's what we're gonna do. Cleaning up this closet and organize it. See what stuff we have, what stuff we don't really use, or where we can put it. Because look how messy it is. It's really messy. I mean, just putting some stuff in there that we could use other stuff in the room to get some stuff. So I'm gonna organize this room. So I'll talk to you guys when I organize it. Now, you guys, we are taking the recycle out, and this is what it was after when we are done cleaning. So it's not that bad, really. It's much better than before. It's much organized. Like there's no pop shelf on there. So I would show you guys before and after picture. I was cleaning the closet. I found an old typewriter, you guys. I don't have the code, but I'm thinking maybe we are going to start no channel maybe, and we might start with something really cool. Right now, you guys, we are making some Crystal Light, so I will talk to you guys when we are making some Crystal Light. Guys, so right now, you guys, we're going to cook up some dogs, and cleaning up some stuff too, dishes from yesterday. I'm gonna put some dishes away, so that's what I'm doing. So I'm gonna cook up some hot dogs. We have so much hot dogs. We're gonna cook up some, I don't know what it is. Maybe just hot dogs? I don't know. Just hot dogs is not enough for my taste bud. Maybe some chips, hot dogs and chips, and let's see what other things can we have. Need some vegetables in here. Maybe applesauce? No. Yeah, I don't know. What other things do we have? We have food cocktail. Now we have some craft dinner that we need to use up too. So we might make another contraction of the video. So I'm gonna see what I'm gonna make up. So right now, you guys, I'm just heading to work, so I'll talk to you guys when I am done work. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm done. So right now, you guys, I'm almost at work, so I'll talk to you guys when I am done work. So I will talk to you guys when I am done. Done work, and now I'm just heading to my parents' place to do some laundry. So that's what we're gonna be doing. So I'll talk to you guys when we do the laundry. So I'll talk to you guys then. Yeah, we are making some salsa meatloaf, you guys. Yes, I'm gonna add some hash brown. Some oatmeal. I have a big bag of oatmeal. Look at this, you guys. It's a big bag. Can't believe I got that big of an oatmeal bag. And then we're gonna add some salsa to it. Salsa.
But that's it. And then we're gonna add 1 egg. So we are gonna make some, and then we're gonna add some cheese. On top of that afterwards. 1 egg. 1 egg. Or maybe 2 eggs. 2 eggs. Should be good enough. 2 eggs. And then the big finale is the cheese. Cheese, 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 cheese. And then let that sit for a little bit. So I'll talk to you guys when it's done. Try something different. I'm gonna add some sour cream sauce. Halibut dip in it, because I have some halibut dip that I need to use up sometime. So why not try it in meatloaf? Guys, so I'm gonna end today's video, so I will talk to you guys tomorrow. And look at this, you guys. This is what it looks like, you guys. The meatloaf, it looks so good. But I'm gonna end today's video, and I'm getting my meatloaf, so I'll talk to you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.